PHILIFAST Electronics. Since 2005, your reliable partner in global electronics manufacturing. We are committed to deeply understanding our clients' needs and challenges, ensuring that every communication is productive. Precision from the start. Automated equipment guarantees component accuracy and efficiency. Our Class 10K Cleanroom SMT workshop is the core of precision manufacturing. Supported by a strong engineering team, every PCB begins its transformation here. Fully automated solder paste printing, coupled with 3D SPI inspection, ensures zero printing defects. Our high-speed Yamaha chip shooters achieve exceptional micron-level placement accuracy, which is then secured through our precisely controlled reflow soldering process, completing the core assembly with reliability. Precision reflow soldering completes the core assembly. The first article inspection rigorously verifies design conformity before mass production. Our comprehensive 2D hour screening, which provides an essential second layer of quality assurance by catching any potential defects. For through-hole components, we employ professional wave soldering with optimized thermal profiles, complemented by expert manual soldering where required to deliver robust and reliable solder joints. Finally, every board undergoes a rigorous manual visual inspection and advanced dry ice cleaning, ensuring the final product is both functionally sound and aesthetically pristine. Trust from global clients drives our innovation. From consumer electronics to automotive industries, PHILIFAST Electronics preserves diverse sectors. Shenzhen PHILIFAST Electronics, crafting with expertise, empowering with technology. Your one-stop EMS solution provider.